Hi everyone, welcome to Family Computer Center. Welcome to this video. In this section, we are going to see what is the use of if function in Excel, where we can apply this if function. In this workbook, we have got a total mark here, and we want to display the result of student based on the total mark. And the given condition is like this. If the total mark is above 100, we will say the student is pass. If the total mark is below 100, then he is fail. So it is not practical for us to check each cell and type here as pass or fail. It will take long time for us. So we will use one if function, then we'll find the result for the first student, then we will copy the formula for remaining students. So to start with the if logical function, we need the result in H2 cell. So we click inside the H2 cell. And our condition we have given here, result, if total above 100, then pass, otherwise fail. So let us say we will consider a student who got exactly 100 also as pass. So we will say like this, if F2 is greater than or equal to 100, then pass, otherwise fail. So to start with if logical function, I clicked inside H2 cell. I go to this formulas tab. In formulas tab, you can see a logical functions drop down button. In logical, I can see this if. When I click on the if, I got this window. This window, our logical test is, as we already discussed, our logical test is total mark above 100. So total is coming inside F2 cell. So I write here F2 greater than or equal to 100. That means if the student got just 100, that student also we will consider as passed. So after checking F2 greater than or equal to 100, our first condition is it will be pass, otherwise fail. So this is our logical test. If the logical test is true, we will display pass. If the logical test is not true, it will display fail. Then we click on OK. So that you can see the first student, we got the result as pass. Reason is his total mark is above 100. Now we click inside this H2 cell. We go for any one of the way to copy the formula. So in this method, I'm going to use clicking and dragging. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel for more notification.